guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the December manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the December 2024 manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design just arrived. They did actually send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Rena from Boxes and Deals and I are doing this in collaboration with each other every other month to show you, so you can see the manifestation box on my channel, and then you can pop on over to her video, which will be in the description box below to help you go to it straight and quickly. But you can go pop onto hers and you can see what she received for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. Then if you are interested, you'll know which one you would like to order for yourself or for a gift idea, that kind of thing. I absolutely love this box. I love what it represents. I'm always wearing their jewelry. I have two different ones on today. That's a great thing. You can stack them. You can do anything you want. Some of them, if they're a little bigger, you can use as an anklet. I always forget that. And Rena even will like take the wrap bracelet and wrap it around like twice, like a little choker. So you can always use them where they're not necessarily intended to be used, but you can still utilize their jewelry in other places, and I love that. So let's go ahead and dive into the December box. Again, after this, go ahead and pop on over to Rena's channel and see what she got in her December Mother Earth Wrap Club. I love that one because it's always like small, dainty little beads, and they're normally super shiny and sparkly and so pretty. So definitely check hers out. When you first open up the box, you always have a handwritten card by the owner. Attention to detail is amazing. You always have a little sticker, and we have a festive little snowflake for December. So when we open that up, here is the presentation to the inside of the box. With this one, you always get two meditation cards, one for you to gift and one for you to keep. This month, look at how pretty. It says love. It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. Mother Teresa. Yes, it's not about what it is, it's about how you do it. So you have your two meditation cards right there. Then, ooh, we have a little, it says firmer looking skin that shines with natural radiance. It's a free sample, and I guess there's a coupon from Whole Foods that you can get this product as well. If you like it, you can use the $3 off to purchase it. That's cool. I've never seen a little free sample in here, so that's neat. You got that. And then you also get what we're working with for the month, and you also get your astrology. So when you sign up with this one, the great thing is you tell them what your wrist size is and the necklace length you would want your necklace to be, and what zodiac sign you are. So your horoscope, you tell them, and you get your own astrology every single month. So this one here, it says mindful gift giving, making every present count. So this is what we're working with for the month. So you can sit down and read all of this and see what we're doing for this month. And then the next thing is your astrology. And mine is for Scorpio because that is what I am. So I can sit down and read this for my own individual astrology, which I absolutely love that they do that. Now we have, another paper in here that says our yearly subscribers get a $300 thank you gift. Ooh, upgrade your yearly subscription and get the free gift. So if you're interested in saving money per month and go to a whole year subscription, looks like right now for a special, you will get a free gift valued at $300. And I don't know if that is the free gift right there, but that looks like a really cool box. Look at that big old shell, and then you have all the sage and everything. So if you want to check that out, you're more than welcome to. Again, they will be linked down below. You also do have a Happy Holidays card. That is so cool. Normally, there's always cards in here showing all of their amazing jewelry because you can purchase everything individually on their website as well. And that's awesome. So if you just want to grab a few things for yourself or for gift ideas, you can just go to their online shop and you can use my code SheCrafty to save 20% off the online shop or your first subscription box, whichever one you would like. Or you can use Rena's. It doesn't do anything to either of us. It just saves you money. So you can use her code or mine, whatever is more convenient for you. So we do have this time, instead of a flyer for their products, it is a holiday Christmas card. It says, holiday mail, wishing you a holiday season filled with love, laughter, and adventures. And it's from the owner, and it has my name right there. So that's her and her beautiful family right there. So that is awesome. So then, other than all of that, you do have your goodies. Where'd my box go? You got your goods right here. This one should be the necklace, so we'll go ahead and go with this one first. And what a great thing is, they always come in these boxes. Ooh, so you can store them in them, or if you wanted to gift it to somebody, it's already gift ready. And then you always get a card for the crystal of the month, and it goes over more information. And normally I can read all of the words on it, so it's very user friendly. And I love that there's an image on the top. So I save these, and anytime I ever have a question, if I have a stone and I'm like, what was this again? I can just scan through the photos, match it up, and then read what it is. So I love this. So this month is Titanium Moonstone, and I love the moonstone. That's why I have the moon phase tattooed on my body. So this is the Titanium Moonstone. The Your Vibrations is Rising necklace features a titanium coated raw moonstone nugget, radiating energy to elevate your spiritual frequency and awaken your inner light. Adorn yourself with this sacred talisman to align with the universe, harmonious vibrations, and manifest your highest potential, which that looks so beautiful. Again, I love the moonstone. Now with the jewelry, generally speaking, is always on a silver chain, which I love silver. That's like the only material that I wear is the silver or the white gold. But occasionally, every now and then, you might get a gold tone or a rose gold tone, but it's very rare. But it could happen. So it's not always guaranteed silver, but the majority is always silver. This one, however, it stays at the bottom, like it doesn't move. To me, those kind of get a little annoying during the day, like if this ends up moving, you know, because this doesn't stay straight. But as long as you keep it straight down, it should be okay. I the ones that just stay on there, it's not like my forte. Like I like them to be able to move freely as the chain, you know, moves on me during the day. But there you go. You have the moonstone. Absolutely amazing. I love the moonstone, so I'm so glad. Now I'm really intrigued to see what kind of bracelets we get. Down in here is going to be the bracelet, which again, you get to tell them your wrist size, and you get a healing crystal for the month, and you'll have cards for both. Ooh, is this moonstone as well? Yes, it is. So we have the moonstone. Here is the healing crystal for the month though. This one here is selenite. It's a heart. That's a good size heart because most of the hearts we get are a lot smaller, but this one is a really good size. And it says selenite is one of the most important tools in any energy worker or crystal lover's arsenal. Through clearing energy blockages, selenite allows for liquid-like energy fluidity. Its extremely high vibrations flood your energy field with the highest vibrations of light. So there is the healing crystal, and I love that. And plus I love collecting these hearts. I tell you guys all the time, I even purchase them big, small, all different types. I have all different shapes, colors, and sizes, but I love, not different shapes because they're all hearts, but different colors and sizes. There is the healing crystal for the month. And then, ooh, that's like, looks like a brain. I don't know what that kind of looks like a brain. It says Rudraksha. I have no clue how to say that. So this little guy here that looks like the brain, this brown little thing here, it says this sacred seed. Oh, so it's supposed to be a seed. Okay, I guess that's why it looks like a brain. This sacred seed, revered for its spiritual sacrifice, serves as a focus point, symbolizing unity, peace, and a connection to the cosmic forces that surround us. Its textured surface carries the energy of ancient wisdom, grounding the wearer in the present moment. So there's a reason why it looks like a brain. But that is just gorgeous. And then the moonstone on here says moonstone for new beginnings. Moonstone is a stone of inner growth and strength. Moonstone has been a connection to the magic of the moon and lunar energy. And when we put it on, Look at how pretty. I love that moonstone. And that is so, so pretty. So moonstone, moonstone, and selenite. So that is everything for this box. Again, you do get your meditation cards, what you're working with, your astrology, and then these 3 items right here. Okay, you guys. So again, that is now everything for the December 2024 manifestation box. Don't forget to pop on over to Rena's channel on Boxes and Deals so you can see what she got for her Mother Earth Wrap Club. I will have it in my description box so you can follow that to go to her video, to go to Gogh Jewelry Design, see all of their amazing products if you want to sign up for the subscription or just shop their shop. You can still use my code SheCrafty to save that 20% off. If you would like a little bit more information about this box and the pricing, I will let you know right about now. Both boxes actually have the same exact price per tier. So if you wanted to do the manifestation box or the Mother Earth Wrap Club, they're the same monthly fee. So month per month, if you just want to do month per month for either one, it's $39. A 3-month plan will bring it down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34. And then a full 12-month plan will bring it down to $33 per box. And currently you get that free gift upon signing up if you are interested. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of the crystals this month? What do you think of my little brain? Definitely comment down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.